Lesson: Enhancing understanding through visual and verbal alignment. Enhancing understanding through visual and verbal alignment is a critical component of effective communication, especially in fields that demand precision and clarity, such as prompt engineering. The principle of aligning visual and verbal information is based on the cognitive theory of multimedia learning, which posits that people learn more effectively when information is presented using both words and pictures rather than through words alone. This dual-channel processing helps in reducing cognitive load, thereby enabling individuals to synthesize information more efficiently and effectively. This lesson will explore practical tools and frameworks that can be leveraged to achieve visual and verbal alignment, enhancing communication and comprehension. One practical tool widely used for enhancing understanding through visual and verbal alignment is the use of infographics. Infographics are visual representations of information designed to make data easily understandable at a glance. By combining engaging visuals with concise text, infographics can simplify complex ideas and highlight key messages. For instance, a case study conducted by Smichiklas demonstrated that businesses that integrated infographics into their communication strategy saw an increase in information retention and engagement by up to 80%. This suggests that infographics can be a powerful tool in the toolkit of a certified prompt engineering professional, aiding in the clear and effective presentation of technical data and concepts. Another framework that aids in visual and verbal alignment is the assertion evidence structure. This method involves creating presentation slides with a clear, concise assertion at the top of the slide, supported by visual evidence such as graphs, charts, or diagrams. This structure contrasts with the traditional bullet point slides, which often overload the audience with text. Research by Ali et al. Found that students who were taught using assertion evidence slides performed better in assessments and had a deeper understanding of the material compared to those taught with traditional slides. By applying the assertion evidence framework, professionals can ensure that their audience grasps the main points effectively, thereby enhancing comprehension and retention. Moreover, storytelling is a powerful tool for achieving alignment between visual and verbal elements. When information is woven into a narrative, it becomes more relatable and memorable. Storytelling can be enhanced through the use of visual aids, such as storyboards or timelines, which provide a visual representation of the narrative arc. A study by Green and Brock highlighted that narratives, when accompanied by relevant visuals, significantly increased the persuasive impact and memorability of the information presented. For prompt engineering professionals, crafting a compelling story around a complex concept and supporting it with visuals can make even the most intricate details accessible and engaging. Incorporating the dual coding theory, which suggests that the brain processes verbal and nonverbal information using separate channels, can also enhance understanding. The application of this theory involves pairing words with corresponding images to facilitate learning and recall. For example, a project management team might use mind maps to visually organize project components, linking each element with descriptive text. According to PVO, dual coding can improve memory recall by up to 30% because it provides two different ways to retrieve information. By leveraging dual coding, professionals can create more intuitive and understandable presentations and documentation. Furthermore, software tools such as Microsoft PowerPoint, Canva, and Prezi can be instrumental in creating aligned visual and verbal content. These platforms offer templates and design features that help in structuring information visually while maintaining a clear verbal narrative. For instance, Canva provides a variety of templates specifically designed for infographics, allowing users to seamlessly mix text and visuals. By utilizing these tools, professionals can produce polished and coherent materials that communicate complex ideas succinctly and effectively. To address real-world challenges, one must consider the cognitive diversity of audiences. Different individuals have varying preferences for processing information. Some may lean towards visual learning, while others may prefer verbal explanations. To cater to diverse audiences, a multimodal approach is recommended. This involves providing information through multiple formats, such as videos, podcasts, and interactive modules, alongside traditional text-based documents. A study by Fleming and Mills found that accommodating different learning styles increased learners' motivation and engagement, leading to improved outcomes. By adopting a multimodal strategy, prompt engineering professionals can ensure that their communication is inclusive and effective across diverse audience profiles. In practice, implementing these strategies requires a systematic approach. First, identify the core message or objective of your communication. Next, select the appropriate visual aids that complement and reinforce the verbal content. Ensure that the visuals are not only relevant, but also simple and clear, avoiding unnecessary complexity. Then, align the narrative with the visuals, ensuring that there is a logical flow and coherence between the two. Lastly, gather feedback from the audience to assess the effectiveness of the communication and make adjustments as necessary. In conclusion, enhancing understanding through visual and verbal alignment is a vital skill for certified prompt engineering professionals. By utilizing tools such as infographics, assertion evidence structures, storytelling, dual coding, and multimodal strategies, professionals can significantly improve the clarity and impact of their communication. These approaches not only facilitate better comprehension and retention, but also accommodate the diverse cognitive preferences of audiences. As professionals continue to refine these skills, they will be better equipped to navigate the complexities of their field and drive successful outcomes.